Hello, welcome to EnergyVue. Today we're going to take you through the process of importing and assigning a model curve. So what we're going to do here is we're going to import a power curve that's come directly from an original equipment manufacturer, and we're going to overlay that on top of the real-time data that's coming in from that turbine. The idea here is for us to see instantly if there are any issues with performance of that asset. So to allow us to do that, we go down to our system resource workspace within the EnergyVue VIS system. We then go to model curves. I'm going to import a model curve that we've received. So if I just select that and import that, that'll add to the system along with the associated data. Now, just to note that you can add your own model curve here directly, and you can complete this data as you wish, or you can import a CSV file that you've created for any sort of theoretical models as well. So you can add whatever you need to the system directly. So to complete this one, I am just going to add some missing metadata here. I'm going to then assign that to a specific data model that we have, and I'm going to click Save. Now I've now saved that model curve, so what I want to do is to be able to assign that directly to one of our dashboards and to one of our assets. So you'll see that it's already documented and assigned to one of the asset models. So it means if you have a power curve or you have a model curve set up already in one of your dashboards, this will automatically be pulled through. But for the instance of this demo, I'm going to go to a dashboard that doesn't have that configured and just show you how that can be configured within the system. So I've loaded up our power curve chart. As you can see, this is the real-time values. We've got this shaded accordingly, so we've got green up to the cut-in speed, yellow for the producing speed, and we've got the cut-out speed here as red, just as an example to show how you can use color gradients here. So I want to go ahead and edit this particular cross plot, and I want to go down to model curves here at the bottom and click Add. Once I hit Add, you'll get an area here where you can then select and you can assign the source. So I have this test model curve that I just created. So I'm going to select that, and you'll notice that that will add that model curve, and you can see the real-time data plotted against that as well. I'm going to adjust the color slightly here. I'll put a nice blue color. And then I'm going to save the dashboard. And now, once this dashboard is loaded, that model curve will be available, and you can see the real-time data overlaid. So the purpose of this is to allow you to add any sort of model curves, whether it's direct from the original equipment manufacturer, whether it's one that you've created for your P10, P50, P90, etc., or whether it's just a scientific theoretical curve that you'd like to add just to track. And of course, this has been added with the power and wind in our cross plot, but you can add any channels that you wish and model this accordingly. So that's just an example of how this function can be used. If you have any questions at all, please contact us either through our website at energyvue.com, drop us a note on LinkedIn, or feel free to drop us an email at hello@energyvue.com. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.